you wanting to create fun and engaging videos with your audience and you're not quite sure how? You only have a phone and you're really not sure exactly how to create a background? With the power of the green screen, you can do so much, and in this video, I'm going to share with you step by step how I use two amazing applications to create this background. Hi, my name is Antoinette, and thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel so you can learn more tidbits and tricks and be notified whenever I upload a brand new video. So let's get on with the training. Thank you so much for watching, guys. In this video, you're going to need a mobile device and Photofox. I'm going to walk you through the first step of this, and then make sure you check out the other tutorials. I don't want to make this really long. I want to keep it short and simple so you can follow step by step, because it's easy for you to get lost in the mix of all of the steps that I do to create a video background. So the very first thing I do is I open up my Photofox. You can download this from the App Store. You're going to go ahead and click on New Project. If this is your very first time creating a project, it'll be empty. Otherwise, you're going to select All Photos, Stock, or Canvas. The search bar is very helpful if you want to search for specific theme backgrounds, such as if you want a coffee background. In this one, we're going to look for a mystical background because I want to create a video background that is based on my branding, which is the Face Fairy. I have now this beautiful mystical background, and now I need fairy wings, of course, right? And so I'm going to go ahead and center those fairy wings down in the middle, but towards the bottom. Now, if you're going to add an element like wings or something that is supposed to be attached to your body, it may take you a couple of tries with your green screen to see the precise placement. Now, with the free version of Photofox, you can only do 2 layers, but if you want more layers, here's a hack. On the top of the screen, there's a box with an arrow. Click on that, and then you can save to whatever social media account that you would like. After you save, you're going to create a new project, and you're going to locate the project that you just saved, which is located in your photos, and it's most likely the last photo that you have on your mobile device. Repeat this process until you are finished with your project. This is just one way that I make video backgrounds. Okay, so my question for you is, what phone apps do you love to make backgrounds? I would love to know. You basically could use any kind of phone app to make a background, but I absolutely love all of the features that are in Photofox. Now, to animate it, on to the most awesome animation phone app ever. To the next video to learn all about Enlight Pixel Loop. Guys, thank you so much for liking and subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to click on the bell to see more future videos like this and this. If you found value in this video, do you mind sharing it with some friends? And if you're interested in Because Cosmetics, make sure that you connect with me on my social media channels listed in the description below. Thank you so much for watching.